That looks really tight with the Tacoma. My fenders are gonna be pushing my way through there.
Yeah.
We're gonna get stuck.
So I think the only thing going for me is my height. And I'm pretty sure his rear quarter panel, or the side bed of the truck, was on the right bank.
Like, subscribe, and smash the bell for notifications. Because you definitely want to hear what comes next.
And Mountain State Overland is the best.
The best products and best service from people who really care and love what they do. Mountain State Overland is proudly supported by OK 4-Wheel Drive. It's the first trip of the year here in 2022, and we've got a fun group of people. Actually, surprisingly enough, a lot of people from Florida on this trip. Yeah, we've got some exciting trucks. Jason, SwellRunner, he's with us on this trip. It's going to be a lot of fun. We got a brand new Kaya on a Tacoma, Gladiator 4Runner, Jeep Wrangler, and it's going to be a good trip. Well, tell me what you think.
Not as scary as I thought. It was good.
Not as scary as you thought?
Yep.
Awesome. Good work.
Well, I admit I was nervous, driving a wider vehicle. So when I bought that truck, I was in Utah. Trails were much wider, right? And back here in the Southeast, trails are generally not as wide. But this was fine. We were good. I could have done it by myself, but I probably would have ripped a fender off. With the help of my esteemed colleague here, we made it. It was all good.
Awesome. Good work, dude.
Yeah.
It's amazing!
It's amazing?
Yay, it's
Really?
actually fun.
Really nice people.
I've never been on a guided trip before.
Yeah, we did the kids trip once.
Yeah, but it wasn't really a guided.
Yeah. Let's go see everybody go through the moguls.
Ooh, what's the mogul?
You'll see.
Wait, is that what you had?
Yeah,
Is
that's
that
what.
the mogul?
Yeah, that's what we just went through.
Ooh.
So yeah, we're in a little mogul section here, and we got this fancy Bronco. We're gonna see how the whole sway bar disconnect works. Where are you at now? 16, 17? Okay. So we're going to approach this fun little spot here, and should give us some ability to actually see what it's going to be like to drop that wheel when he disconnects the sway bar. So your back's off. And so are you in any sort of traction control mode right now or anything?
Nope, I have nothing on right now.
Oh, it just did, right? Okay. Okay. He's fully locked in the front and rear, but we're just kind of experimenting today. So let's go with a little more speed. Okay. Yeah, all right.
A little 2-foot action.
Yeah, a little left foot braking, nice. Woo! Yeah! So we are just wrapping up lunch here on the trail. We've done the creek crossing, had some fun on some moguls. We got to put down some serious miles to get to camp. Looks like it's going to be a nice day. We can put the windows down, 70 degrees outside. Let's hit the road.
We are in a 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ Sport. Had it for 11 years now, and after 11 years I decided it was a time for an upgrade. Put some bigger wheels and lifted suspension so that way I could do a little bit more trail riding. I used to do it in my older vehicles, but I wanted to pick it back up again.
So I started overlanding with my 4Runner back in 2016. I wonder if your camera's mic is picking that up.
I think so.
The 4Runner was the impetus for me getting into overlanding, and the reason why is because I'd always kind of been into cars. I'd always kind of been into like camping and sort of outdoors, really more camping. But the idea of like vehicle-based backcountry, like off-road expedition travel or adventure travel was like super appealing to me. And like when I realized that was like a thing and it was like called overlanding, I was like, that sounds like it's for me.
I don't know what that was. If that was a rock or like a can or something?
For us, we want to be out there, but we want to be out there with other people. You know, there's always the risks involved. You know, we think we've built or had our truck built actually to be able to handle all these different scenarios, and being with other people, it's that added layer of security that if something does go wrong, you know, you come together as a team. So that's the second part of it.
I got this Dutch oven, the Snow Peak Dutch oven for Christmas. My mom got it for me. It's something I've wanted for a long time, and you know, we cooked on the fire a lot last year. And so the next step was, you know, getting equipment that will allow us to really make good dinners on the fire, and we got this Dutch oven. We are making chili mac, right? So we've got ground beef, we're sauteing the onions, we've got some tomato paste in here. I'm gonna go back to the truck and get some of the spices. I'm actually drooling talking about it because it's smelling wonderful. Yeah, we're gonna cook it down just like a good chili with some beans and stuff in it, and then we're gonna throw some macaroni in there and boil those into it, and put some cheese and sour cream and some chives and maybe some red onion on top of it, and have a good dinner tonight. We have the goodness in here. Oh my goodness, do you want to get a shot of that? All right, so black beans, garlic, beef, jalapeno, several different herbs and seasonings in here. all with a base of onion and some olive oil. Just scoop it out with, and take your bowl. It's gonna be pretty hot, I think. You pour a beef broth in there after you got everything in it. Get the beef broth boiling, and then you pour the macaroni noodles in and let it go for 10-15 minutes or so. And the more it does, the more it congeals and forms this masterpiece of goodness here. I'm really drooling watching him, you know. All right.
That's
like legitimately good, or?
No, that's really good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
That's really good.
Yeah, there might be a gate up here. I have it marked.
The community, you know, everyone having that sense of like togetherness, all interested in the same thing, getting outside. I work at a desk job, sit in the office most of my day, so getting outside, getting into the country is you know, a plus. It's a stress relief, kind of grounds you again.
Hey Phil, you got a copy?
With the ink still dripping from an empty pen, found a letter you wrote, you said you're gone again. You go tripping through the stars at night, found $1 million girl and put the moves on right. You got me thinking, oh, you got me thinking. Can you send me some paper that I can spend? Don't think I can break, but I sure can bend. This picture's my friend, it's my family.
It's been a great weekend. The weather's been good. The friendships that we've made have been good. I don't know, the driving's awesome. Getting to hit the trails, you know, seeing the scenery around. You know, the camaraderie that you build as a team is fun. I think camping is just as much a part of this as the driving. You know, even though the driving might be what brings you when you see all the videos on YouTube and want to do that kind of adventure, but just sitting around the campfire and hanging out is probably the best part, to be honest. So it's been a good time.
Yeah, so my channel is SwellRunner, and all you got to do is go there and subscribe to my channel. So listen, you got to do it. You just got to subscribe. You got to subscribe. You got to hit that subscribe button, and you got to smash the like button. Give me more cowbell.
All right, let me know what you thought. What'd you guys think of the trip?
I thought
It was fantastic.
Fantastic? Fun?
Fun, yes.
The route wasn't fun because we didn't get to keep the mud on our vehicle.
Yeah? What do you think?
Just kidding.
Awesome.
It was amazing.
These just get better and better, and you know, connecting more people. You know, we only do 6 of these trips a year, so traveling these roads may look the same to you on, you know, YouTube, but it's a different experience for me every time we come. And you know, we try to map in new sections, and you know, on this trip we had 4 or 5 kids. We had Jason SwellRunner was here. You know, we had an awesome group of guests, and Ben came down. He's holding the camera right now. And yeah, it's, you know, short and sweet, you know. I mean, like I said, when complete strangers get together on the first night and cut up, and then, you know, it's kind of an emotional departure. It's a pretty positive thing. So we'll see you next time.